it do? What's up? KDiani here in the cut. Today, tomorrow, and the day after that, and the day after that. I look like a whole snack. I'm not even gonna front. Alright, so in today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I do my pageant twists. I've been wanting to do this stuff for a minute, and I've been anxious to do it, and I finally did it, and I recorded it for y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. So let's get straight into this video.
So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. It has been moisturized and everything. The pack of hair that I'm using is Zury, I believe. It's Waterwave. It's the Waterwave brand, and it has 3 bundles in it. It's 20-inch, and I have 3 packs of that, but I only use 2. And as you can see here, I just pulled out 1 strand, and I'm going to fluff it out. After that, you're going to take a section, split it down the middle, and you're going to make 3 strands. So one of your hair strands is going to be with the twist, and the other of your hair strand is going to be left out, and then it's just going to be the hair strand from the twist. And then you're just going to braid it in to your hair, like as if you're doing box braids. Once you do that 3 to 4 times, you're then going to turn over and you're going to start twisting the hair. This is so that you can have that twist appearance. You feel me? But the braid is just to secure it in place so it doesn't slip out or anything of that nature. So I'm going to be showing you guys a couple more times how I do it. Hopefully you guys do understand. In the meantime, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you definitely press that subscribe button.
this is the final look. I really love it. It's like so lightweight. Most definitely one of my favorite protective styles right now, and I haven't even worn it for like 24 hours yet. It's like really dope, lightweight, no tension. As you guys seen in the clip where I was demonstrating how I do it, I do start off with the braid and then I just twist down. A trick for those people whose hair is short, well, kind of short, kind of medium like mine, and like the hairs will stick out, what you can do is use got-to-be glue and it'll hide them babies, like hide them, you know what I'm saying, like hold them in place so they don't stick out. And just in case you're wondering, in the video I did show my slick to the T edge control. That's what I use to part my sections and lay my little edges and baby hairs down. I do have a giveaway going on right now. If you would like to participate, the instructions will be down below. This is what you will be receiving. You will be receiving the slick to the T edge glaze and a brush, and also I just might throw something else into the bag, not really sure yet, but that is for the 3 winners. The deadline is October 3rd. You guys still have a while to go to participate in the giveaway. So if you would like to get this free product and you like the results that I get on my hair, make sure you participate. You feel me? Because who don't like free? I know I do. Make sure you participate. But if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and most of all, don't forget to share the video. And if you made it this far in my video and you're new to my channel, make sure you definitely press the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you are notified when I post a new video. We all be cute, sis. We can all be cute if you subscribe to my channel and, you know, you share the video and let other females know, like, ooh, she keep it cute, sis, so we gonna all keep it cute together. You feel me? Till next time, mucho besitos.